I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up.
Hey, this is Dad Random. How are you doing? All right. I have got some fun for you today. I have got a Dashcam review that I want to share with you. This is a Dashcam by Ray Photo. Ray Photo is basically innovating with a 3-channel modular design. This thing has got everything that you'd want. Now, the design of this thing, I'm just going to tell you right now, is absolutely amazing. So if you open it up, it is a 4K Dashcam LS05D if you want to look that up. Check it out on Amazon. There is an Amazon link that I'm going to share with you. And if you go to here, let me just share that with you really quick right here. That is the Amazon link. And on the Amazon link, right directly off it, it's a 4K 3-channel. That means that there is a camera on the inside, which is modular. There is an outside camera, which is usually 4K, and then there's a rear camera. So this one has all three. This one is Wi-Fi and GPS. This has got all of basically everything that has been wanted by most Dashcam users. Now, most Dashcam users, if you're an Uber driver, if you're an over-the-road driver, this thing allows for a lot of flexibility. You do not have to use the modular interior camera. You can disconnect it. It is pretty much everything we've always wanted. We've got a G-Shock sensor. We've got overnight security. We've got long cables so we can connect it up. We've got an SD card. This thing comes with a 32 gigabit card right out of the box. So let's go ahead. Open it up. I'm going to go ahead back here, and let's get this thing rocking. So here's the Ray Photo. Now, I'm a Vantrue fan, but I might be a Ray Photo fan here in just a little bit. Now, I've already unboxed this thing just to check it out, to get familiar with the contents, but I'm really happy. Very nicely labeled guide, covers all the firmware issues, how to update the firmware. You've got QR codes for launching the app. This is app supported.
I know, man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive as I reach out to the sky.
And pretty much every menu and how to utilize that menu, the on-screen display right there, what it means. So there's that. Let me go ahead and just set this up in the background for us right there. And put that quick start guide right on there. I always try to highlight as many of the cool things. So I've even pulled off some of the sticky back. But here's the camera. Now this camera has a lot of cool new features. One is this disconnect right here, which is magnetic. That is a magnetic disconnect. There's the front-facing camera. I look to see if it's articulating, but this one will tilt up and down. Okay, so what you can do with this one is you can tilt this one up and down, and then I'm going to show you something in a second. But there's all your low profile buttons for now this does not have a touch screen. This is your module bay right there, so you can connect a module on. Remember, this is GPS and app supported. So there we go. There's all the mics, all these little holes or little pinholes are for microphone sound. Be interesting to see what kind of sound comes out of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera up there. There is our dash cam, very sleek, very similar to the Vantrue stuff. And I like to compare brands because we have to do that. We have to compare brands. Now, I'm not going to take these out, but inside the bag, there's a little plastic, these are little plastic sticky things. You stick them onto your glass, and it's supposed to enhance the stickability. So, this is you get this sticky material, and it's hard to get off of the car when you try to remove it. Well, that stuff is supposed to help for you to protect your glass. So here is one of the cameras. Let me pull this out here. There's a bunch of little sticky pads in there. This is not the camera. This is the mounting bracket. So I can show you this right away. So if you look at this mounting bracket, the GPS is built in it. So there's the mounting bracket with GPS built in. And there are those little tiny magnetic pieces. So check this out. So here the camera would be facing to my right, to your right. And there it is right there. Look at that. That thing just pulls right in there. And let me tell you something. It's hard to get out once you put it in there. And that's a good thing. This puppy will be permanently mounted in my car. I'm going to give this thing some really good. There it is. There's the. Look at that thing. I love the magnetic connector. That is very cool. So I'm going to set that over here. All right, there. Focus in. This is the modular camera, so we're going to pick this up in just a second. There is the camera module, and you will pull off this little rubber piece right here. And then this is your interior camera, so this will snap in, and there it is. Now, as you adjust up and down, this little camera here will adjust inside of your cabin. So that's so cool. I do a lot of interior vlogging. If you're a Uber driver and you need security, that will provide all of those things for you. So that is really well built. These guys really put some time and effort into the design. I'm very impressed with this design. By the way, I am tickled. So if this thing can perform at least as good as the other cameras available, this one could be a winner. This is about $169, which is right in price. This is the rear camera right here. I just want to take that out. It's super long cord. If you install this to the back window, it will stick this direction right towards you, and then you can articulate the camera up and down right there. And this thing will articulate all the way. Let's see. Wow, that's pretty much 180 degrees. Look at that, all the way around. And I'll pretty much connect the camera just like this. So on my truck, I'll be connecting it just like this. I'll just put that right on the window. So there it is, and you got the long cord, and then there's the video cord right there that plugs into the opposite side. So video cord will come out the left right there. You can see a little video out. So very nice. There it is. That is the most, this is the most technologically forward-thinking dash camera I've seen yet. I've done a lot of dash cam videos. This one is getting me really excited. So, all right, there it is. That is the RayPhoto GPS app-supported front-facing 3-channel rear-facing dash camera. This thing, it's gonna rock. And there it is. It comes with the card. I already put it in there. There's the 32 gig card if you didn't believe it. Right in there, and see how hard it is. You have a little bit of fingernails right there. 32 gig card right out of the box. All right, so thank you guys. let's rock this thing. Let's make this summer memorable, and we can now with the Ray Photo 3-channel Dashcam. All right, for Dad Random. Let's go try this out. Let's get some footage. Let's make some memories in the car later, or let's make it more secure. Bye.